I have a curious question. Let me sneak this in.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay.
this has been a topic of
Yeah.
capacity allocation, management of natural resources.
Mm-hmm.
Where do we put which into what type of production? And then
Mm-hmm.
everyone's talking about expansion. TSMC is trying to reach out to possible locations. How long does it take to develop a fab? For everyone who has no idea how semiconductors are done or created, like
Uh,
how long do these things take to develop?
it usually take 2 or 3 years. Like as far as
Wow.
yeah, and
So like
so
research, build, test, 2 to 3
like
years.
surveying the environment and getting all the workforce together and build up the actual facility, then start like producing. Like the whole process take, I think for TSMC's case, as far as I remember, it usually takes 3 years. Yeah.
Wow. So if they say that they're
Talking a
expanding
lot
to several
about
regions,
building it from scratch, and sometimes like for Fastcom, they would acquire production plants that had like more outdated equipment, and they would acquire it and try to update the equipment, and it will take probably shorter than 3 years. Yeah.
so now when they say that they're going to expand to other regions, so it's the possibility of
Yeah.
taking it there. So nothing's final. They have to survey it. They have to check
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
place. Okay.
Yeah,
So
especially in in Europe and Japan, where TSMC had no manufacturing presence before. So now, so in those cases, they really have to start from scratch. And in the process, you really have to look at like the quality of the workforce and the environment. You have to make sure that the utilities have been stable. There's a ample supply of water, and in the case of TSMC, because putting up a foundry is a really expensive process. And in the case of Japan and probably in Europe, you will have to make sure that there will be customers in the country where you set up production. You have to make sure that there will be subsidies from the government. So you really need to put in a lot of factors to consider if this location is suitable to put up a site.